As you can see, guys and girls, British Cheryl is still fixing right now. This could be the day 2 after yesterday. And Kuya, the one who doing this yesterday, asked for assistance.
Power nga yan eh. Supply.
So I hope sooner or later Britney Cheryl will get fixed, and we're gonna hit the road going to Legazpi City. Wake up, Britney Cheryl, wake up, wake up. So he's figuring it out. We'll be right back. Shout out to each everyone. Bago po ang battery niya.
Bago lang yun. Tahalin mo muna.